her in?
Do you want to? Yeah, let's.
I want to go in.
We're gonna
I'm
go
videoing.
Hiya.
I am.
Oh, I was all ready for a photo.
I got it. Right. Anyway, alright. We're moving house, mate, so. Alright, yeah.
Video.
People behind you. It's crawling. It's on Put these or your hats on. Yeah.
Can't believe it. It's a video. Yeah. What time is the phone?
Got the best seat in the house there.
Get that camera out of my face.
It's like just going to be loads of pictures of no one but fire. Oh, stop video.
I can't see. That is so good. So muddy. Oh yeah.
What?
Like a little kid going. Oops. Oh, look at Ainsley. Little Ainsley. Posing again.
I just can't help myself.
You know what I mean? People, my friends, if they go on it, but that's my mouth.
Apparently I love my daughter's
The video. Wave.
Wave down.
Wave down.
Hold the pose.
Oh, okay. Bam, bam, bam. What?
You've got like a blanket down.
Yeah.
Wouldn't go in there. There's a bit of a rain over there, you can see nothing.
I was waiting for that to pop again.
Well, let's go bang with a bit of a shine.
I like real ones now. Deal.
There's a big bang one.
Yeah, I agree, Mum.
What, you know, we've only just started.
We did firework pictures with the kids. And it was better than these ones. All they did on black paper is tipped all the glitter all over different colour glitter. They glued it all first, so wherever they glued we just sprinkled glitter all over. It looks quite good actually.
Yeah, for fireworks.
I like the big ones.
Yeah. Yeah. I can't. It's on my view pictures. Blurs.
Maybe you got it on the and that's better.
Yeah.
Well, that's alright then. That's good, isn't it?
Doesn't even taste better this serious.
I'm waiting for
that's good.
I'm waiting for I'll let you have it.
Yeah, have a go at that. So you wish I brought a big camera. I know. Why didn't you? I don't know. Should we clap now? Make everything clap. Makes everyone in the garden. I suppose they wouldn't have had the fireworks near the fire, would they? Imagine all this sort of yeah. It must have been already put up all these ages ago. Why it's blue? I know. Wonder why we can. Maybe it's the revolution that's been messed up.
I had to bring all the blood clots in from there, didn't I?
Oh yeah.
What have they got in there to like fire? Paraffin.
What in the lamp?
Yeah, what keeps it burning for ages?
It's just got a little, look, I'll let it go.